Place the assembled frames into the opening. Make sure the frame is right side up by reviewing the attached labels. Frames come with pre-drilled installation holes. If holes are missing or need to be re-drilled, then use a 3/8 inch drill bit, preferably a Forstner bit, to drill new holes. Note: twist bits can be difficult to use for this application. Insert screws into the pre-drilled holes in the top of each side frame. Center the frame in the opening and set the screws into the window jambs. Once the frame has been secured, place the panel or panels in the frame and insert the hinge pins. Move the bottom frame left or right until the panel or panels are level. When the panel or panels are level and square within the frame or with each other, hold the bottom frame in position and set a screw in the middle of the bottom frame hole. Check the panel or panels to make sure the panels are level. Note: setting a screw into the bottom frame may not be possible. If this is the case, set a screw into the bottom of one of the frame sides and recheck. If moving the bottom frame left or right didn't result in a level panel with even light gaps, then remove one of the top screws. Move the side frame up or down to achieve the best fit. If this doesn't resolve the issue, try moving the top frame left or right to achieve level panels. Once the panels are level, insert screws in the remaining holes and check again to ensure panels are level after every screw has been drilled into position. It is possible to over-tighten or under-tighten the installation screws, causing the frame to distort or not be straight. The panel lock caps have already been installed in the ends of the panels. The wheel, or roller, can be adjusted to achieve the ideal height for locking into the shutter frame. If magnets were ordered, refer to the magnet and catch placement section of the Eclipse product manual. Once all screws have been installed and panels checked, cap all holes with provided button plugs.